Hello guys, welcome back again in another beautiful video. Guys, today I am here to talk about a very interesting topic. Yes, if you have a relationship that at this time you don't even know where the relationship is heading to, you don't know the person that you are dating, whether the person is going to be faithful to you in the future, or the person you are dating is currently meant for you. You are confused. You have visited so many spiritualists, and they're giving you different answers. But this is what you need to do. But before I go into this particular teaching, I want to use this opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers for always coming back to watch my videos. May God Almighty bless you. And for my newest subscribers in the building, thank you guys for stopping by. Thank you for just watching this channel. May God Almighty God bless you, say. And for you that have been watching me for years, for weeks, you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please kindly do so. And after subscribing, turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get notified. Okay, so now, to know whether the person you are dating currently, or to know whether the relationship that you are into currently is heading to something fruitful, or to know that the person is going to be faithful to you in the future, this is what you need to do. Nobody enters into a relationship with blind eyes. You have to know the person that you are dating. You have to know the man that you are dating or the woman that you are dating, just to avoid mistake or someone serving you breakfast at the end of everything, and you will lose everything at the end. All right, so if you are in that relationship, this is a very good opportunity that you need to start practicing this now, just to know whether the person is rightfully meant for you. Okay, to do that, just get me two ingredients. Number one ingredient on our list is going to be our original honey. Just get original honey. Now let me just state some precaution about this particular recipe. If you don't have original honey and you went ahead and then performed this, trust me, it is not going to work for you unless you get original honey. And then this is the only condition that will make this particular recipe to work for you. Just get original honey. Get me your thyme. Okay, get me your thyme. All right, get me your thyme. You can also use rosemary as well. All right, so any of them can go. So all you have to do is to do what? Put your honey inside your plastic jar, okay, as much as you can. Now take a pinch of this particular rosemary or thyme, add it inside your honey, and then keep it under somewhere. It's either under your bed or at the window for 7 days. And after that 7 days, bring it out and open the jar and pray over it. After praying over it, you are going to allowing it to stay for 7 days. Now that 7 days, that is when you will start adding it inside your bathing water. Whenever you want to bath, whether in the night or in the morning, add the mixture inside your bathing water and pray over it. Ask God to do what? To show you the real identity of that person, to show you who that person is. If the person is rightfully meant for you, if the person is going to be a cheat, is going to be the one that will kill you in the future, if the person is going to be the one that will destroy. That some relationship that can destroy someone's life, that can destroy some other's destiny. I hope you know that. There's another relationship that when you enter it and eventually you guys ended up in marriage, before you know it, you begin to see a lot of problem coming up. You begin to see the man, going down. You're going to see a lot of things, surfacing in the marriage. He said the man died or something like that. So many spiritual problem and all that. It happens. So many people today are living under that particular bondage. That is because when they were into that relationship, they did not make a spiritual inquiry. They do not do the needful. That is why they ended up marrying that man or that woman. And after everything, spiritual problems will begin. So before you go into that marriage, do this to know. Before you take the step or the bold step of marrying that person, your partner, do this. This will help you to know the real person. If the person is good for you, the person will stay. you are going to take this bed for 7 days, and these 7 days just watch your partner. If he's behaving or she's behaving abnormal, just know that this person is not meant for you. It's just simple. Okay, but if the person is behaving normal, maybe like the way he or she used to behave before, just zero your mind, the person is a rightful one for you. Okay, so beloved, that's it, just the end of this video for today. Thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. Please, after watching this video, give this video a thumbs up and also turn on your notification bell. Like this video, just like, and also leave your comments under the comment section. If you have a particular question you want to ask, please direct it at the comment section. And if you need to purchase for any of our products, we have a lot of spiritual products, please, so just chat us on a WhatsApp on 090-5982-5779, 090-5982-5779. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Do have a lovely night. Bye.